Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about app installation on your Windows PC, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. And in this video, I will show you on how to install your Yahoo Mail as app on your Windows PC without any stress. Let me show you how. So for instance, I'm using Edge browser, and this is depends on the type of browser you are using. So preferably to follow along, go ahead and use your Microsoft Edge browser. And then when you open up Edge browser, make sure you log into your Yahoo Mail inbox. Once you log into your Yahoo Mail inbox, next thing you want to do, so having logged into your Yahoo Mail inbox, go ahead and click on these three dots right here. And the next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here, all the way down until you get to More To. So from More To right here, go ahead and click on Apps. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on Install this site as an app. And this is going to pop up right here. Then go ahead and click on Install. So after a successful installation, we can easily minimize our browser, and then we're going to see the Yahoo Mail right here pumping up right here, and then you can from here access your Yahoo Mail without any stress. Now you can pin the app to the taskbar if you like, pin to start bar, create shortcut key, auto start on device login. So I'm going to create a shortcut key for that. I'm going to go ahead and click on allow right here. So successful. So if I close on this particular tab right here, then you're going to see, you can see, would you like to pin Yahoo to your taskbar? Go ahead and click on yes, and then we have it in the taskbar right here. So each time I want to have access to my Yahoo Mail, there's no need for me to continue logging in open and open again. And at the same time, there's no need of me to go to any web browser to log into my Yahoo Mail because I already have it as app. So I can easily click on here and it's going to automatically load up and straight up take me to my Yahoo Mail right here. So if I close on this tab and I decide to make use of the desktop icon, click on the desktop icon right here, press enter key on my keyboard, it's automatically launch and open my Yahoo Mail app right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about app installation on your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.